Good evening, everyone. We hope all of you are fine. I'm Dr. Anurag Mathur, practicing at the Kiran Memorial Skin Care Clinic in Meerut. Today we are going to discuss about the eczema, which will help you understand the disease better. What is the eczema? Eczema is the name of group of conditions that cause the skin to be inflamed, become itchy, inflamed, or have rash-like appearance. There are several types of the eczema, like atopic eczema, dyshydrotic eczema, nummular eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, or stasis dermatitis. Eczema is very common. In fact, over 31 million patients suffer from some form of the eczema. Eczema can begin during the childhood, adolescence, or adulthood, and it can uh, range from mild to severe. Eczema is not contagious. You can not catch it from someone else. While the exact cause of the eczema is unknown, researchers do know that people who develop eczema do so because of combination of genes and environmental triggers. When the irritant or an allergen from outside or inside the body switches on the immune system, it produces the inflammation. It is the inflammation that causes the symptoms common to most of the eczema. What are the common symptoms of the eczema? The most important thing to remember is that eczema and its symptoms are different from everyone. Your eczema may not look the same on you as it does on another adult or in your child. Different type of eczema may even appear in different areas of the body at different sites. Eczema is usually itchy. In most people, the itch can range from mild to moderate, but in some cases it can become much worse, and you might develop extremely inflamed skin. Sometimes the itch gets so bad that pupil scratch it until it bleeds, which can make your eczema worse. This is called the itch scratch cycle. What are the common features? Itch is the very commonest symptom. Dry, you may find dry or sensitive skin. You may find inflamed or discolored skin, rough or leathery or scaly patches on the skin. Oozing or crusting may be there, and there may be you may find area of the swelling. You might have all of these symptoms of the eczema or only just a few. You might have some flare up, or your symptoms could go away entirely. The best way to find out if you have eczema is to consult with a medical practitioner or a qualified dermatologist.